Hi, my name is Ben Copenhaver. I'm here at Jasper Yeast to show you how to prepare our seltzer nutrient blend. Here I have it in a bucket. We recommend preparing this outside of your brewing vessel. So I have it here dumped in a bucket, and we recommend that you mix it with cold water first. Some of the compounds in here denature with hot water, so they dissolve in solution much better in the cold water first, and then that way you can ensure your mixture, once you dump it in the kettle, it will be completely homogenized in the kettle. So I'm just going to fill it here, and right here I have just a standard paint mixer. We recommend using this. It just helps get everything nice and emulsified. All right, so here we go. Oops. All right, so now it's all mixed. What you want to look for to know that it's done being mixed is this nice, like, almost milky like texture. So everything's nice and emulsified. And you can just dump this into your kettle. We recommend doing it at flame out or just at the end of your boil. But do not whirlpool it. You want to make sure everything is nice and mixed in your kettle, and you extract all of the nutrient when you're transferring to your fermentation vessel. And yeah, that's how we prepare the seltzer nutrient blend. Thanks.